Hello. Today we are going to find the derivative of y using implicit differentiation. Now up until this point, you've most likely been learning how to take the derivative explicitly, where y is already by itself. But what do you do when y is amongst other numbers and variables? Well, that is what my clone is going to teach you today. Why, thank you, myself. I am quite welcome. Well, like he said, we're going to implicitly take the derivative of y. That'll be all. I'll take it from here. Let's begin. So here's the equation we have. 4 cosine x sine y equals 1. And as you can see, y is within the equation and not by itself. So the way we do this is that we follow the product rule, which is first to second plus second to first. So the first thing we write down is 4 cosine x, and throughout the whole process, 4 just tags along because it's a multiplier. And then we take the derivative of sine y, which is cosine y prime. Now the reason why we have y prime is because when you're taking the derivative of y in terms of x, you're essentially saying dy dx, which is the same thing as y prime. Whereas when you're taking the derivative of x in terms of x, which is the same thing of dx over dx, which is just 1. So, after you do that, you add second to first, which is sine y, parentheses, negative 4 sine x, and the reason why it's negative is because you have to make sure you follow the rule of co, equals 0. Then you collect, so what you end up getting is 4 cosine x cosine y prime minus, because you have that negative, 4 sine x sine y equals 0. So what we're going to do next is that we're going to put 4 sine x sine y on the other side. So you'll end up getting 4 cosine x cosine y prime equals 4 sine x sine y. So now what we want to do is get y prime by itself. So we're going to divide 4 cosine x cosine y onto the other side. So I'm going to divide by this. This cancels out. The 4's on this side cancel out, so you essentially get y prime equals sine x sine y over cosine x cosine y. Now technically this is the correct answer, but you can change this to tangent since you have a sine x over cosine x and a sine y over cosine y. So what you can do is make it y prime equals tangent x tangent y. And that is your complete answer. That is how you take the derivative implicitly.